for the next few hours unless you understand this one move. Because in the next 48 hours, gold is about to fake one direction and then explode the other way. If you enter early, you are the liquidity. Wait before you even look at the chart. Ask yourself, why is gold not moving right now? Because this. This is where the biggest moves are born. If you see this trend, we have seen that it is moving in this zone from 4 5 days, as well as if you see this particular trend, we have seen that it has not made a high above $48.91. If you look at the particular showing this opposite U pattern has formed and buyers being rejected here, as well as we have seen there is change in the volume. Okay, at both the levels we have seen there is an upside. Understand that if you see the price is already below a level of around 4600, and chances are high that if it keep moving below this level, that we can see that this trend will fill and chances of crossing a level of 44.90 can be seen, and it can go below $44.22. And once the price goes below that level, a further fall can be seen. Looking at this chart, what you can see, if we see on the particular chart, we can see that right now the market is in a consolidated zone. Okay, and this is the clear pattern showing, as well as the important level of 4605, it is below that level. So we can see as of now for today it is trying to form a green candle. Okay, but if it keep moving below a level of around 4512, we can see there can be a further fall and chances of crossing a level of 4500 can be seen, and from there it can move towards 4481, and then it will go below 4417. Trailing your SL is very important by around $10 to $15, because that is where you can save at least some of the profit once you are in some good profit. Okay, right now traders are split in two groups. One is aggressively buying the dips, the other is waiting for crash. Both feel confident, and that's exactly why one side is about to get it hard. Okay, if you see that the pattern was when the price was starting above $46.05, the price was trying to go higher, but it didn't sustain that level. And this pattern is supporting downside, as well as we have seen the prices below $46.05. So we can see there can be a further downfall. Okay, so if it keep moving down, a further fall can be seen towards $45.08, which is our support one. And if the price goes below that level, it can cross a level of 45.03, and then it will go further down towards a level of $45.01. This is what you can say as 2. Okay, because the today's low was around 45.112. Okay, so price can go further down. If the price keep moving below that particular level, a further fall can be seen towards a level of around 45. See the price after crossing a level of 45.08, chances are high that it can go further down towards 45.03, and which is a previous day low. So we can see the price can go further low, and yes, after that a probability of crossing below a level of 4500 can be seen, and it can go towards $44.80. Okay, which is a strong support. And once the price fall below this level, chance of touching 44.12 can be seen, and if the price fall below that level, we can see a level of $43.76. Trailing your SL again is very important by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture downside movement. As of now, we can see the trend is showing downside till the time the price is not going above 4605. Okay, but suppose if it started rising, see, market is uncertain, so you have to understand. Suppose if it started going upside, it can touch today's high from $45.62. Okay, which is R1, and once the price rising above that level, probability of going towards 4608 can be seen, which is R2. Okay, and once the price going up that level, it can touch a level of 4612, which is yesterday's high, and a probability of going towards 4653 can be seen, and from there it will move towards 4671, R4. Then there will be a zone breakout, so it can go further upside towards 4698, then to a level of 4730. And if the price going up that level, we can see a level of $47.48, then to a level of 47.71, and a probability of crossing 4800 can be seen. And if the price going up that level, a further upside can be seen towards 48.53. And if the price, so the question is not will gold up or gold down. So the question is not will the gold up or down. The real question is will trap will come first. Here's why you stay ahead. Don't trade the first move. Let the market show its hand. Wait for break, failure, and then momentum. That's where professional enters, not where beginners panic. In the next 48 hours, gold will create a move that look obvious but feel strong after you enter. and that's feeling, that's the trap. If you can stay patient through that movement, you'll catch the real move. If not, you'll find it. Okay, subscribe, because tomorrow we'll see which play trap out. If you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.